The ModelRequest sync function serves as the primary interface for executing imperative, non-streamed interactions with large language models within the Pydantic AI framework. By utilizing ModelRequest to structure user prompts, we are preparing to initialize a synchronous communication channel that returns both the model's content and its associated request usage metrics. From Pydantic AI, import ModelRequest. From Pydantic AI, direct import ModelRequest sync. Hash make a synchronous request to the model. Model response equals ModelRequest sync. Anthropic, Claude Haiku 4.5. Model request. User text prompt: what is the capital of France? Print model response, part 0, content. The capital of France is Paris. Print model response, usage. Request usage input tokens equals 56. Output tokens equals 7. This code demonstrates the direct model interface, which provides a low-level, imperative approach for interacting with LLMs. By using ModelRequest sync, you bypass the higher-level agent abstractions to execute a single, non-streamed request directly against the model provider. This approach is ideal when you require granular control over the request lifecycle or are building custom abstractions on top of model interactions. While it lacks the automated features of the agent framework, such as native tool execution and structured output parsing, it offers a lightweight and predictable mechanism for simple query response workflows. Let's break it down line by line. From Pydantic AI, import ModelRequest. Imports ModelRequest from the Pydantic AI package to provide the class definition for structuring model input requests. From Pydantic AI, direct import ModelRequest sync. Imports ModelRequest sync from the Pydantic AI, direct module to enable synchronous, non-streamed requests to a model. Hash make a synchronous request to the model. Model response equals ModelRequest sync. Initiates a synchronous, non-streamed request to a model and assigns the resulting response to the variable model response. Anthropic, Claude Haiku 4.5. Specifies the Anthropic Claude Haiku 4.5 model as the target for the agent's operations. ModelRequest. User text prompt: what is the capital of France? Creates a ModelRequest instance containing a user text prompt with the query, what is the capital of France? Print model response, part 0, content. Accesses the first element in the parts collection of the model response and prints its content attribute to the console. The capital of France is Paris. Print model response, usage. Prints the token usage statistics associated with the model response to the console. By combining the ModelRequest structure with the ModelRequest sync function, you gain a direct, imperative path to interact with LLMs. This approach bypasses the overhead of the agent framework, allowing you to pass specific prompts to a chosen model and receive both the generated content and token usage metrics in a single synchronous call. While this method sacrifices the automated tool execution and structured parsing found in higher-level abstractions, it provides a lightweight, predictable interface for simple query response workflows. Ultimately, this pattern reveals that the power of Pydantic AI lies in its flexibility. You can choose between the high-level agent framework for complex tasks or this direct, granular control when you need to manage the request lifecycle yourself.
ModelRequest sends your silent inquiry into the digital void, pausing time until the synchronous echo returns home.